So this is part of my wash series that I call raking, the specific action that I take with my fingers that's going to help you to reveal your curls. Now here I've got the shampoo on my hair and I'm raking my fingers backwards and forwards all the time, gently pulling the curls through my fingers. If I meet any resistance, I stop, I take the time to unravel them. So as you can see here, I'm taking the time to unravel that particular area, and I'm just going to keep going. Whenever I feel any resistance, I stop and I do this. I do not try and force it through, because that will be damaging the curls on the end. Now, while our hair is still extremely strong, especially while it's wet, it still needs to be handled with care. So here I've got my conditioner on at this point, so there's no more soapy lather, but at the same time you can see I'm still using that raking action, and again, if ever I feel any resistance, I pause, I take my time and I unravel that particular curl. Here it's all flowing through quite quickly, very easily. I have almost no resistance, if any at all. So I want you to bear in mind that I have been doing this for several months now. So it takes no time at all for my hair to fully unravel and be separated in its curls. I just want to say at this point, I pause because it feels so beautiful. I just have to roll my head. It's like giving yourself a head massage at the same time, and it's just multitasking and perfect. So I want to remind you all to manage your expectations. Remember that for your first, second and even third time it might take you a little bit longer than this video, but don't give up. You're on the right track. This is how you do it. Take your time and allow yourself to learn.